name is Omkar. I am studying in 6th standard. My school name is Appaji Public School, Jewargi. I am subject. My name is Ranjit. I am studying in 3rd standard. My school name is Appaji Public School, Jewargi. I am a word. My name is Chetapa. I am studying in 5th standard. My school name is Appaji Public School. I am a object. Today we are going to explain about sentence formation. Glad to meet you. Glad to meet you. Glad to meet you. Glad to meet you. I am a subject. A subject name the person, place, thing or animal we speak about in a sentence. I am a word. The word which show the action or state of being. I am a object. A person or thing to which a specified action or feeling is direct. This sentence is correct? No. Kumar likes biscuits. Kumar is a subject, like is a verb, biscuit is a object. Wow, good, excellent. This is a correct? Wrong. I is a subject, give is a verb, him is a direct object, a book is a direct object. Wow, good, excellent.